poppin', everybody? For the second weekend in a row, we are starting the video in the car, ready to go to the track, but we're going the other way this week. This week we're going to SAC. It's just a one-day event. Their season opener. We got Nyla loaded up. we got a canopy and some chairs to upgrade our pit this year instead of sitting on the floor or on the ground with Nyla's bed on the ground and all of our stuff just kind of laid out on the ground. So yeah, gotta stop by the gas station, get some cash out, and McDonald's, and hitting the road. All right, we got to the track nice and safe. Got through tech, got the pit all posted up. We got a canopy this year, stepping up the program. You know what I'm saying? Nyla's going berserk because she saw a dog. Right, Nyla? Say hi. I'm gonna flash the tune in and go up to the lanes for Sportsman time run because they just called us and I just got done with tech. Yeah, damn. The car was cold though, so I'm not going to expect it to do that again for the rest of the day. I didn't have enough time to warm it up in the lanes. There was a really long line in the right lane, and they started pulling people to the left lane. So, but still, 12:59, 8:16 in the 8th. Woo! She was scooting. Yeah, we're in the lanes for pro time run right now. I'm gonna try to run up to the tower, see if I can get some shoe polish or window markers, so because mine died. Oh man, Vanessa is making some power today, dog. Let me tell you what, she blistered off at 8:17 with a 1 after going 8:16.8 in the 8th on my Sportsman time run. Not looking too bad today. I just gotta pick up my reaction times a little bit, stop being a pansy, and we'll do it. Dropped him on his noggin, fed him a ton. He broke out by a hun, and I went like a 31 on my 22. Yeah, I don't think I was great. I didn't think I was great. I was 41. He was 14. He broke out a thou, fed him a 10th. 831.6 on the 822 dial, and moving on to round number 2, baby. Hell yeah, brother.
Unfortunately, couldn't get by second round of pro, but did get by second round of Sportsman. We were on the ladder. I think there's 9 cars left. Down to, whoa, almost just killed a squirrel. Oh, it was 23 again. 2 above 6, it slowed down a ton. Oh, it was 114 red, dead 3. I think I got Bob Choicer in the semis. Let's get it, baby. Stay tuned. Lost at 5 to the man of the Vega, and he had the bite of the final. And my boy Steve, Drag Race Machine CEO, in the final of Sportsman in the stick shift Mustang, dog. Stick shift Mustang in the final round of Sportsman. God damn it. We got the gang loaded up in the car, got all of our pit and everything loaded up, fixing to head to the house. Couldn't get it done today. Another quarterfinal finish in Sportsman, another second round exit in pro, almost exactly like last weekend, but I did feel better today. I felt better racing today than I did last week, and I was less frustrated. I should have won that. I should have won against Bob. I was just late and didn't drop like I should have. I think with that, we're gonna end the video here. Yeah, you got anything? Nyla, you got anything? All right, good talk. All right, thank you for tuning in and watching. Please leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of the racing action coming this year, because we plan on racing a lot. Thank you for tuning in. Until the next time, I'll frickin' see ya later.